so much.
Hello you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Soul Diaries. It has been, I think, over a month since my last episode, but I am back in Seoul just for a few days this time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Adrienne. I live here in South Korea. I actually live down in Busan, but I frequently come to Seoul just because I have a lot of friends here. In this instance, I have a YouTube meeting type of thing on Monday, so that's the main reason why I came here. But whenever I come, I like to vlog, and I call these little vlogs Soul Diaries. So it is currently Saturday. I actually got in last night and I met up with one of my best friends here, Annie, and we had a great old time together. She ended up coming back to my hotel and she slept over. I haven't seen her in a while, so this morning we kind of just like laid around and we chilled, and my lungs hurt still from laughing so much with her. And then took a shower, got ready, and now I am going to head out and do a lot of editing. I came here from Gangnam, which is like 2-hour bus ride away from Seoul, and I was there doing a trip, so I have 2 vlogs to edit from that time. I'm so excited to sit down and edit all of that footage because it was so beautiful there. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to like the Starbucks around the corner and do some editing. I don't really know what's gonna be in this vlog just because the main purpose that I'm here is, well, my meeting on Monday, but also I'm just gonna kind of meet up and like link up with some of my friends here. So if you guys see me just going to like cafes and like shopping around, don't be surprised. That's kind of just like what I have in store. And before I head over to the Starbucks, I wanted to give a huge shout out of the sponsor of today's video, which is Audible. You guys know I am a huge fan of Audible. So Audible is the leading provider of audiobooks, which I personally love audiobooks for these times like now, which I'm traveling all around. I've been doing a lot of traveling throughout Korea lately, and when I'm on the bus, or on the train, on the airplane, I love to stick in a good old audiobook. Their genres range from news, business, celebrity memoirs. They have self-development, which is what I mainly listen to. And each month, Audible members will receive 1 free audiobook and access to a monthly selection of Audible originals. Besides the self-development selection on their website, they also have something really cool, which is Audible Sleep. So I don't know about you guys, but I sometimes have trouble like not necessarily falling asleep, but getting my mind distracted or getting my mind kind of shut off so that I can fall asleep. And they have something amazing, which is pretty much like guided meditation books. So if you are somebody that's like your mind is just like going a million miles a minute when it's time to hit the pillow, I would definitely check out their Audible Sleep selection. So if you want to give Audible a try, you can actually get your first audiobook and access to a monthly selection of Audible originals if you just go to audible.com/AdrienneHill or text Adrienne Hill to 500-500. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pack my bag up. I actually got the cutest new little, like, I don't know, it's just a very summery, beachy, boho kind of bag. I'm gonna pack my bag up. This is new, first time using it, and head over to the cafe. I'll see you guys in a minute. So I finished, well, I didn't finish, but I am finished with the editing for today, and I'm with Annie Nova now. She actually has a YouTube channel. You guys should check it out if you haven't already. But we're at this really cute spot in Hongdae, right? It's like a view moment, like cute window date moment. We already ordered our food, and Annie's vlogging as well. Wait, oh yeah, you're using your G7X. You don't have a case for that?
I don't care about things as much
well,
as you do.
We can tell. Look at the scratches. Stop. Look at that. Hold on. Ooh.
She's like,
ooh.
She's weathered.
She's weathered.
Yeah.
She's vintage.
She's gone through some stuff.
She's a vintage girl.
Yeah.
It's just funny because like people that don't do YouTube, they just don't get it.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I can't imagine how weird we look to people that like, well, I mean, it's 2020 now, so everyone knows what YouTube is.
Vlogging, kinda.
But like, come on, like people still like, give you weird looks left and right if you're like filming yourself. Like especially us.
Like literally we are right now.
here is how everyone just brings a blanket or a mat outside and just gets like convenience store food and just chills. Like, do you see all of these people? It's awesome, and it's really cheap, and it's just like fun, and it feels so good outside right now. So yeah, I think we might go get a second bottle.
I love how I love how everyone is like soju and beer, with the bougie ones with wine.
We're the Western girls drinking wine. Okay, wait, show them your hack. Okay.
Okay, so I saw this on TikTok, but I bought this like compact thing.
It's empty, right?
Yeah,
it was empty, yeah.
In Daiso. So like it comes with a sponge and this obviously, and this is just like a normal
plain sponge.
Yeah.
Right. Cushion.
But, so you take this off. I didn't realize that's what you're supposed to do. But like you take this off and then you pour in your foundation. I mixed it in with sunscreen so I can reapply my sunscreen also. And then you put it on top. It comes through like
yeah. Look at that. And it's nice because a lot of times you'll have like a really good foundation, but you can't get it in cushion. Right.
And you don't want to like bring a bottle.
We were vlogging and the people right there, they saw us vlogging and they were like, oh, are you YouTubers? And we told them our channels, and then they went to the convenience store and they bought us snacks. Just because we're YouTubers. Okay. It's red velvet.
Red velvet what though?
It's like just like a puff, like red velvet puff.
Oh, okay. Oh, I tried to read it in Korean. I was like, red velvet cake snack. It literally says red velvet cake snack. I still don't know what it is.
fan coming. 근데 약간 다르다. 이게 나의 이빨은
Good. So you walk in and here's a kitchen and there's a lovely girl enjoying her new place, and she hasn't really moved in yet, so there's not really anything here, but I really like the two-toned like of the walls, how there's like the tile, and then this could be her like closet area. She's gonna put like
Okay, we're gonna make it a whole
yeah, so cool with like the cubes, and then a bar that she's gonna unpack later. And then here is the main area, and then I love the bathroom.
It's cute.
The marble. Bougie!
There's a ceiling here too because I'm tall.
How sweet of them. You get your own custom bathroom. I love it. Yesterday I had a great day just hanging out with a couple of friends. First, I met up with my friend Mehdi. He makes YouTube videos. He lives here in Korea. We got lunch and ice cream and we shopped and we had ourselves a grand old time. He's so cool. Please go check his channel out. And then after that, I met up with my friend Joanna. She's been in one of my vlogs before. She is from Finland. Minnie's from France, by the way. She's from Finland, and she has like a couples channel with her boyfriend, and she has her own vlog channel too. And we went to the cutest little painting cafe. And in the evening, I met up with Annie again. We went to her new apartment. You guys saw that. It's the next day now, and I just have a ton more editing to do. And I'm sorry that this vlog is literally just me like seeing friends and editing and seeing friends and editing. That's really the main purpose that I came to Seoul, just to see some of my friends. But I do have a short meeting this evening in Gangnam at like 5. So at some point today, I'm gonna make my way over there. Before I head out, I did want to mention the hotel I'm staying in. This is actually like more of a guest house than a hotel. This is located in Hongdae. It is Butler Lee Properties. You guys know whenever I go to Seoul, I love to stay with Butler Lee. If you want to get this exact room, it's literally like 20 bucks or something like that. It's definitely not more than 40. So they're super affordable. I'm staying in the one bed one, but they do have rooms here that have 2 beds that are even more spacious. So I mean, I've been staying here for a few days, so it's kind of messy, but just have the bed, and then there is my luggage down there. This is kind of my getting ready station. And then over here is the bathroom. So yeah, and here's the door. So you walk in, and it's actually really spacious for how little money it costs, and then you have a really nice view of Hongdae out this window. Here it is, and I'm really happy because it was forecasted to rain like the whole time I was here, and it hasn't really rained. It rained yesterday morning while I was sleeping, and that was it. So yay for that. For about 2 hours now. I ended up editing about a video and a half. I still have to finish a little bit on my second video. My computer is running low on charge, and I could either charge it here, but I'm kind of hungry. I didn't really eat much today besides that little piece of cake, which was really good, by the way. So I'm gonna go back to my place and just eat some of the food I ordered last night and finish editing this video. I have to be in Gangnam by 6, so I'm gonna leave here at 5. Funny because like editing and I have such a love-hate relationship. I always procrastinate when it comes to actually starting it, but then when I start it, I love it, and it's so therapeutic. Like, people always ask me like, oh, why don't you get an editor and stuff like that, because I love editing my videos. It's so much fun. And like once I get in the zone, I like don't want to stop. So yeah, I'm really like itching to get this video finished. I'm having so much fun editing my travel vlogs. So yeah, that's just my little update. By the way, this cafe is so cute. It's called Four Lounge. They have like a main area, and then there's also an area upstairs. It's like right in the center of Hongdae. And also they do like, it's like kind of a cafe, but they also have beer if you want to get beer here. Obviously I'm not drinking beer right now. It's like 4 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna head back to my guest house. I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I'm back in my room, and before I eat, I want to show you guys the 2 cleansers that I picked up when I was shopping yesterday. So a lot of you guys have suggested that I start double cleansing, and as you know, I've been on the like hunt for a cleanser. I still haven't found a cleanser that I'm in love with. And when Mehdi and I were at Olive Young yesterday, he actually pointed these 2 out to me. And I had actually heard a lot about both of these, but he kind of like confirmed that they work really well. I'm pretty sure he's used these before. So I did pick up 2 new cleansers, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated within the next few weeks how I'm liking them. So double cleansing, you pretty much start off with, I guess, like an oil cleanser, and then you do like a foaming cleanser, I think. Don't quote me on that. But this is the first one. It is by Hanskin, and it is just a cleansing oil and blackhead cleanser. You put this on your skin while it's dry, and you kind of just massage it, and then you emulsify it with water. So yeah, I used it last night and I really like this. And then after you wash that off, you use this one, which is the Dr. G pH cleansing. cleanser, and what I really like about this combination is it doesn't make my skin feel like it's been stripped of its natural oils. I hate when you use a cleanser and you can barely even smile after just because of how like dry it makes your skin feel. And if you ever use like an oil stripping cleanser, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this is my new cleansing combination. And I also wanted to show you, I went to that cafe, that painting cafe with Joanna, and this is how my little palm tree painting turned out. You guys, go to this cafe, and I'm pretty sure they have like a couple of them. There's one in Songpa, I think, and then one in Gangnam. And like, oh my gosh, this was so much fun. What's funny though is I literally tried painting 2 other things and they just turned out so terrible because I'm not talented. So this is the only one I kept, but I really like it. And it was like so therapeutic, and yeah, I just wish I could have stayed there longer because I was having so much fun. It was really cheap too. All you do is like pay for your drink, and then they give you the paper and the paint and everything like that. Alright guys, so I am actually at the Seoul Guy Medical office, and I want to show you guys that we still have products left if you guys want to get your hands on a box. I just wanted to thank all of you guys that have...
Hi.
with my good friend Jody Medina. I just want to thank all of you guys that have supported me and have bought a box. I'm so glad you guys are liking them so far. So here are all the products. This is where they get boxed up, and if you want to get your hands on one, I still use all of those products every single day. I will have the link below, and once you order it, it should arrive within 3 or 4 days. And if you are in a country that has like a ban on shipping right now because of COVID, they will hold your order and they'll ship it out as soon as that ban is lifted. And while I'm here, I'm actually picking up the barrier relief balm because this stuff I've already used up a whole container and I cannot go a day without it. Alright guys, so I am back in my room now, and I'm actually heading back to Busan tomorrow morning. I think I'm gonna catch the train about 10 a.m. So this is the time that I end off this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I promise next time I come to Seoul, I'm gonna do more than just like hang out with friends and like go to cafes and stuff. There's so much here that I actually want to do during the summer, so forgive me if this wasn't the most eventful vlog, but I just had to spend some time, you know, catching up with friends and editing and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, be sure to let me know what you thought of it down in the comments, and if you're looking for more behind the scenes, go on over to Instagram and follow me on there. Always remember that I love you so much. Like so much that I could never even put it into words or explain it. But I hope you guys know I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next vlog. Bye guys.